Okay, hi everyone. Today I want to introduce how to turn off the Discord highlight of uh, Nvidia app. So the first we need to uh, click to ALT and set, and then when you see this tab, you see uh, you will click to this one. For now, you see the capture highlight here. If you want the code highlight in the game, you can turn on this and join the game. This one, you can join the session here. For me, I want to turn off it, so I will click to it and then to see it not live. So it is already turned off. This one is setting if you want to record the video highlight. You can join the quality resolution frame. Uh, this one is that one. Thank you for watching my video. If you could please like and subscribe for me. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget like and subscribe for me.